What's up, investors? It's the Russian dude. Today, let's talk about why Tesla share price seemingly out of nowhere increased almost 60% in the last month alone. This is already a huge multi-hundreds billions of dollars in terms of market capitalization corporation. So this huge increase of once again double-digit growth in a single month, these are an extraordinary high numbers. In today's short video, let's talk about the potential reasons behind this growth, whether it's going to be sustainable, and whether these numbers are justified. To begin with, let's talk about a little bit the financials of Tesla, because according to the most recent financial report, they did not look extremely good. So long story short, this 60% growth was definitely not because of the most recent financial report, because the revenue increased only mere 2% and the car sales went up by only 6.4%. Definitely does not justify such double-digit growth. But because this is a technological company where investors, they think ahead and they invest into the future of this company, the very first potential reason why the growth was so high, it is because of the promises of Elon Musk, who said that the extremely high exponential growth of Tesla will return next year, citing that the growth might be a potentially 20–30%. Another reason, and potentially the most obvious one, is the victory of President Donald Trump in the most recent presidential election. And well, you already know, Elon Musk and Donald Trump, since recently they became extremely close. Elon Musk was supporting Donald Trump on Twitter/X extensively. So obviously right now Donald Trump took him under his wing, and Elon Musk will be a part of the government, if you wanna call it like this. He'll have his own quote-unquote Department of the Government Efficiency, short for Doge, almost like Dogecoin. And long story short, this will obviously create some much more favorable conditions for the growth of Tesla in the future, because with the previous presidential administration, they were kinda trying to limit the productivity of Tesla by introducing, let's call them like this, several barriers. One of such barriers is the extremely complicated development of the Autopilot. Tesla is known for its self-driving capabilities, and well, previously the US government thought that this was way too dangerous to let people use it, so they required extensive research, extensive data in order to proceed further. Most likely, under Donald Trump's administration, these Autopilot self-driving capabilities for Tesla will be implemented much faster. Another thing is the presentation of the self-driving taxis of Tesla called CyberCab. Most likely the production will begin in 2027, and this will create a huge demand from the taxi companies. I mean, imagine you have to buy a car and you don't need ever to pay a salary to the driver. This will be a huge thing for taxi companies, for Uber, Lyft, everything like this. And well, Tesla so far is, I would say, the only producer of such autonomous vehicles, at least in the United States. Obviously, there are equivalents in China, but once again, Donald Trump will make it extremely complicated for China to penetrate the US market, basically leaving Tesla alone to fill this hole in the market. Besides that, Tesla potentially is planning to release its full self-driving capabilities to other manufacturers, basically sell to them, so that other vehicle manufacturers do not to develop it from scratch. They can simply pay Tesla to use their system, which is, as you can see, additional source of income for Tesla. It is expected that autonomous taxis in the very beginning will be providing at least 100,000 rides every single week, which will give Tesla additional approximately $5 billion in revenue just from this sector of the company. So as you can see, there are plenty valid reasons why Tesla share price skyrocketed recently. It was pretty much the presidential administration which was preventing Tesla from coming and fulfilling their promises about full self-driving capability, autonomous taxis, and then even selling this software system to other car manufacturers. Once again, it is expected that everything will be easier under Trump's administration, since there are such big bodies right now, Trump and Elon Musk. So most likely, and I would say personally, this is the reason why Tesla share price went up by almost 60% in less than 1 month. Guys, please let me know down below in the comments whether you agree with this or not, if it makes sense everything what I just mentioned. If you enjoyed today's episode, please like this video, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, see you tomorrow.